Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some of the risks and dangers of artificial intelligence that you should know. Artificial intelligence is a powerful technology that can improve many aspects of our lives, but it also comes with some potential pitfalls that we need to be aware of and prepared for. So let's get started. The first risk of AI is job automation and disruption. AI systems can outperform humans in many tasks, such as manufacturing, customer service, transportation, and healthcare. This can lead to millions of jobs being lost or replaced by machines, leaving many workers without the skills or opportunities to find new employment. According to a study by the Brookings Institution, 36 million jobs could be at risk of automation in the next few years. This could result in increased social inequality and economic instability. The second risk of AI is social manipulation through AI algorithms. AI algorithms can influence our behavior, opinions, and emotions by analyzing our data and personalizing our online experiences. For example, social media platforms use AI to show us content that we are more likely to click on, like, or share, based on our preferences and biases. This can create echo chambers, filter bubbles, and fake news that can polarize our society and undermine our democracy. AI can also be used for malicious purposes, such as cyberattacks, propaganda, and fraud. The third risk of AI is social surveillance with AI technology. AI technology can enable mass surveillance and data collection by governments, corporations, and hackers. For example, facial recognition, biometric scanning, and location tracking can be used to monitor our movements, activities, and identities without our consent or knowledge. This can violate our privacy, security, and human rights. AI can also be used to analyze our data and profile us for targeted advertising, political campaigning, or discrimination. The fourth risk of AI is biases due to artificial intelligence. AI systems can inherit or amplify human biases that are present in the data they are trained on or the algorithms they are designed with. For example, AI systems can exhibit racial, gender, or cultural biases that can affect their decisions and outcomes. This can lead to unfairness, discrimination, and harm for certain groups of people or individuals. For instance, AI systems can deny loans, jobs, or medical treatments based on biased criteria. The fifth risk of AI is widening socioeconomic inequality as a result of AI. AI can create a gap between those who have access to and benefit from AI technology and those who do not. For example, AI can create wealth and power for a few individuals or companies that own or control AI technology, while displacing or exploiting many others who depend on it. AI can also create digital divides between countries or regions that have different levels of AI development and adoption. The sixth risk of AI is weakening ethics and goodwill because of AI. AI can erode our moral values and social norms by making us less empathetic, compassionate, and responsible for our actions and consequences. For example, AI can make us more dependent on machines for our decisions and judgments, reducing our critical thinking and autonomy. AI can also make us more detached from other humans or living beings by replacing them with artificial agents or simulations. The seventh risk of AI is autonomous weapons powered by artificial intelligence. AI can enable the development and deployment of lethal autonomous weapons systems that can select and engage targets without human intervention or oversight. For example, drones, robots, or missiles that can autonomously track and kill enemies based on predefined criteria. This can raise ethical, legal, and moral dilemmas about the accountability and responsibility for the use of force and violence. The eighth risk of AI is financial crises brought about by AI algorithms. AI algorithms can cause instability and volatility in the financial markets by creating feedback loops, bubbles, crashes, or flash crashes. For example, high-frequency trading algorithms that execute millions of trades per second based on complex rules and signals can trigger sudden price movements or market failures that can affect the global economy. These are some of the risks and dangers of artificial intelligence that you should know. Of course, this does not mean that we should stop using or developing AI technology altogether. Rather, we should be aware of its potential impacts and challenges and work together to ensure that it is used for good and not evil. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this topic.